visual scroll. Sometimes one of the best design experiences on a website, but sometimes it's a bounce gate machine, sort of. So, have you ever seen this on your website? You have a vertically scrolling website which doesn't scroll horizontally, and then when a user goes down on the mobile devices, then it goes on this side and it looks really odd. So in today's video, I want to show you how I fix this with a small click, a few clicks. And let's get in. Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Amishka and welcome to my channel, Pro Website Crafter, where I teach how to make websites like a pro. Let's get in.
Through life, every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the world is waiting.
So here is our real website and you can see whatever we've got. I switched off the option we used to stop it from moving horizontally. So first let's get into here that now you see it. You see? All the text and everything went on the side because it's called horizontally. And this sometimes can be a bad user experience and sometimes a very good user experience if you put it in your design. But when you are making a vertically scrolling website, it can look really frustrating if someone notices that it goes like this. Okay, so to fix that, we go into the page settings. And yes, note before we do this, you have to install a plugin called Steroids to get the option we are using. So to do that, I will just switch on this and now I will not be able to scroll horizontally. So easy. That is how you get rid of this, weird experience. I know it was super quick. You just switch on a thing and put in an option and put in a plugin. It's so easy. So now you know how to get rid of it. Try implementing it in your website to get rid of the issue. See you in the next video.
Right through life, every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the world is waiting.